ideal for workshop cooling. Uses half the power of traditional models. With broad coverage, you own a 5 horsepower full-time energy-efficient industrial air conditioner. Covers 200 square meters, 600 cubic meters. It uses 4 kilowatts. Features quick install PVC water pipes connecting indoor-outdoor units. Cools workshops 10 to 15 degrees quickly, regarding every volume. The capacity is 5,000 cubic meters per age. Available in overhead or vertical cabinets. We are the manufacturer, direct suppliers, with no middleman to inflate prices. Unit wholesale price. Our factory is in Wanjiang, Dongguan. If you are interested, you are welcome to tour our factory.